Grass speaks the language of joining, and grass feels cleanliness. It feels to be clean, and being clean means to be pure and focused and present. But unclean means to feel distracted in your soul and distant and alienated from the Messiah and from the elements of creation. And this is something you understand, because think about how distracted you feel when your physical body is dirty, when you need to take a bath or a shower. You see, family, the righteous definition for grass is that it feels to be clean, but it speaks the language of joining. So family, you can't join with the Messiah if you are unclean. Purify yourself so you won't feel distracted in the presence of the Holy Spirit, of the Father, and the Messiah. The grass cleans the water. The grass cleans the air. When you step in dog crap, you wipe your foot on the grass to clean your foot. Sometimes when your hands are dirty, you can rub your hands in the wet grass and clean your hands. You sweep the floor with a grass broom. You can brush your hair with a grass brush. Grass feels cleanliness.